Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use data validation in Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and select the cells where you want to apply the validation rules. Navigating to the Data tab on the ribbon will reveal the Data Validation option, which resembles a small icon with a check mark and a red circle. Clicking this icon opens the Data Validation dialog box, presenting three main tabs: Settings, Input Message, and Error Alert. We will explore each of these crucial sections to ensure your data entry is precise and consistent. One of the most powerful uses for data validation is creating drop-down lists, which greatly enhances user experience and data accuracy. Imagine you need users to select from a predefined set of options, like departments or product categories. On the Settings tab, choose List from the Allow drop-down menu. You can then type your list items directly into the source box, separated by commas, or you can select a range of cells containing your list. This ensures everyone inputs consistent data, reducing errors significantly. Beyond lists, data validation effectively restricts numbers and dates, preventing common entry mistakes. For instance, if you require a numerical entry to be between 1 and 100, you would select whole number from the Allow menu. Then, you define minimum as 1 and maximum as 100. Similarly, for dates, you can ensure entries fall within a specific month or year by setting a start and end date. This simple step saves considerable time by catching errors before they become embedded in your data. To make your data validation even more user-friendly, utilize input messages and error alerts. An input message appears when a user selects a validated cell, providing helpful instructions, like please enter a value between 1 and 10. The Error Alert tab allows you to customize what happens if an invalid entry is attempted. A stop alert completely prevents invalid data, while a warning allows it but suggests a correction. These tools collectively enhance data quality and guide your users toward accurate entries effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.